In spite of the myriad of problems clouding women's day-to-day livelihood, the hiking of maternity fees has added a load which is too heavy to bear for expecting mothers countrywide. Amakhosikazi media then took a turn to look at how this has affected expecting mothers.
So at times abanye basuka behambe ezindlini ngenxa yama-bills, ama-hospital bills akhwelile kungananzelelekanga ukuthi banama-complications ababelawo at delivery. So at times if the complications angananzelelwa masinya kuba nohlupho lokuthi yena lo yabe sebenanzelela ukuthi unama-complications uzahlala okwamalanga esibhedlela simonitha ethola nama-treatment.
Expecting mothers also mentioned that they are no longer going for checkups due to price effects, and one's lack of attendance can complicate things.
Ama-bills affectile ngoba khathesi sesisitshe sizabeletha mahara singacabangeli ukuthi we have to pay uma sihamba khona ngale sibhedlela, but nayo imali sesisebenzisile ukuthi xa sicela futhi imali kwabomntwana ukuthi now I need to pay for this and that, we reduce the money for into njengabo-preparation nani. Now somele sikwazi ukudinga imali isikhathi esihambile, so ngeke beletha khona betshela ukuthi sokumele udinga imali engaka, and ama-bills angikhona lokhu ekukhwele siya makhangela when you now need to have an operation nosebengagobe kuyimahara. Later on during your pregnancy you didn't even plan for it, the government tells you have to look for money just ukuthi ubelethe, of which umntwana we-society asomntwana wami yedwa, but now you find so many ngibhadala.
Ama-hospital bills angi-affectile kakhulu njengomuntu ongasebenziyo, so kunzima to cope with this current economic situation. I'm 3 months pregnant and ngesikhathi lesi sokumele ukuthi ngibe sengirejistile lapho esibhedlela engizabeletha khona, and ukuhamba for ama-check-ups ukuthi kumele ngihambe kuma-test awe-syphilis, ama-test egazi nje ukuthi umntwana engagcine engabi lama-complications sokuvela kimi kumama. So njengakhathesi ngingakathesti lutho, angazi ukuthi umntanami u-right kumbe what, so lokho kuyangikhathaza kakhulu njengomama. Of the current situation sibangele abantu ukuthi begcine beresorta to o-midwife abasezindlini, ogogo ababelethisayo lakho ombuyagweni, but lokhu angiyeza ngiku-advise kakhulu ngoba umntwana engakhona uba nama-complications uma esanda kubelethwa laphana, and kuyabe sekudingakala udokotela.
Reporting for Amakhosikazi Media, my name is Sobana.